Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I want to introduce you to one of our latest products here. This seat we get from MRS in Japan. This is the best seat I've ever seen made for these bikes. If you pay attention here to the detail, how it's risen, it's nice, very nice. If you look here at the back, underneath the grab bar, it's got a perfect fit right here. There's no big gap or anything. It's as nice, really nice. So when we come to the side here, you're going to have a place right here. Now we also make these pins and everything too for these if you need these. So here we have what we refer to as the penis. This is for 73 to 75 Z1. Now also one of the options here is you got a hole right here and a hole right here. You can take and mount your bracket for your KZ or your KZ1000, KZ900A. You can mount your bracket right here and it will fit a KZ1000A as well as a KZ900A. It'll fit 77 to 78 KZ1000A as well as 76, 77 KZ900A. So without doing any welding or anything like that, you can put the stock OEM bracket right there. We have everything available here at our store. So if you need anything, we can show you how to put it on. We can show you everything. Because here you have where the penis goes down into here, you have this right here, this latch, and it locks it. Where the KZ1000 and the 900 is a little different than that. And we're going to show you how that works soon. Okay, so this is what I'm referring to. This bracket will bolt on to that seat pan. So you get the bar right here, and you have the two 6mm bolts right here. So the bracket bolts onto that. Then you have this style lock. This is the lock where it goes into right here. So that seat will work on a bike like this. And also I didn't add in that if you decide to put a flat seat on a KZ1000 LTD or something like that, you can, because this will also work on 77 to 80 KZ1000 LTD if you want the flat seat with the tail section like this. It will fit perfect. Okay, well thanks for looking at our stuff, and the seat comes with a 1-year warranty. All right, thanks a lot.